In 2008, while most investors panicked, Howard Marks and his firm Oaktree Capital were quietly preparing to buy. Why? Because Marks doesn't think like everyone else. He calls it second-level thinking, and it's the foundation of uncommon investing success. By the end of this video, you'll understand what that means and how it can completely change your approach to money and risk. Most investors think in straight lines. Profits are rising, buy the stock. Prices are falling, avoid it. That's first-level thinking. Second-level thinkers ask deeper questions. What's already priced in? What does the crowd believe? And could they be wrong? Am I seeing something others have missed? Winning in markets isn't about being right. It's about being right when others are wrong. That requires skepticism, patience, and independent thought, not just intelligence. Most people think risk means volatility, prices moving up and down. Marks says that's wrong. Real risk is the chance of permanent loss. Low prices often mean lower risk, not higher. High prices usually mean danger, no matter how safe it feels. That's why every investment decision should balance value versus price. And remember, markets move in cycles of fear and greed. When optimism is everywhere, risk is hidden. When fear dominates, opportunity appears. Great investors don't predict cycles. They recognize where we are in them. Even the smartest investors get it wrong. Luck plays a bigger role than most admit. That's why Marks emphasizes humility. Focus on your process, not short-term results. In investing, confidence peaks right before mistakes. So stay cautious when things look easy, and patient when they don't. So what's the most important thing? It's that there isn't just one. Success comes from balancing many things: risk, value, cycles, patience, and humility. That's what Marks calls uncommon sense for the thoughtful investor. If you want to think better, not just know more, start by questioning what everyone else believes. Because in markets, thinking differently is often the only real edge you have. If you are into these bite-sized finance book summaries, like, subscribe, and comment what you want me to cover next. I will see you in the next one.